solidarity with the oppressed people of Jammu and Kashmir who are waging a historic and sacred struggle against the Indian occupation for freedom and for their right to self-determination which was promised to them through numerous UN Security Council resolutions. We thank all of you. And due to Corona, otherwise we have a large gathering, but due to Corona we have restrictions, so we just have a small gathering today. Today we have gathered to mark 1 year of illegal Indian actions that started on 5th of August 2019. So we will start our proceedings with the recitation of the Holy Quran. Now we will play national anthems of Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan and Pakistan. I will give a brief of what happened on 5th August 2019, a year before. On 5th August 2019, India undertook illegal and unilateral actions in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir in a bid to alter its internationally recognized disputed status and change its demographic structure. What has followed is the worst human rights situation in the history of Jammu and Kashmir dispute, with 12 months of uninterrupted and brutal military siege and crackdown, media blockades, extrajudicial killings in fake encounters, and restrictions on fundamental human rights and freedoms have been used to try to break the will of the valiant Kashmiri people, while Indian attempts to change their distinct identity continue unabated. Through its illegal and unilateral actions of 5th August 2019 and illegitimate domicile laws, India is in direct contravention of the relevant UN Security Council resolutions and international laws, including the 4th Geneva Convention. The world community has denounced the illegal Indian actions and the worst human rights violations in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. India stands exposed before the international community as its Hindutva agenda continues to unfold and usurp the fundamental rights of the Kashmiri and political and religious freedoms of the minorities. Pakistan expects that the Jammu and Kashmir dispute will get the focus from the international community that it merits, Pakistan will continue to raise the issue of Jammu and Kashmir at every available forum until the Kashmiri people get their legitimate right to self-determination as recognized by the UN Security Council resolutions and as per the wishes of the Kashmiri people. We will play a short video to introduce what is Jammu and Kashmir dispute.
The history of Kashmir, commonly known as Paradise on Earth, is replete with miseries and grievances. The saga of hapless Kashmiris' sufferings started when the colonial British rulers sold the state to Dogra rulers under the Treaty of Amritsar in 1846. Jammu and Kashmir, having over 87% Muslim population, its people had a natural tendency to accede to Pakistan. And at the time of partition in 1947, they hoped that their miseries would end. But the Indian rulers under the conspiracy to annex the state connived with the last viceroy, Lord Mountbatten, and got the Boundary Commission award changed. Thus, Muslim majority areas in East Punjab were allocated to India in violation of principles of partition plan and provided it land linked with Kashmir. On October 27, India landed its troops to Kashmir and illegally occupied the state. The people of Jammu and Kashmir rejected the Indian occupation of the state and are resisting the Indian occupation